In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency on Wise. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along in real time. To start, make sure you're signed in to your Wise account on the app or website. The very first thing you need to do is add both currencies to your Wise account. This means creating balances for the currency you're converting from and the one you're converting to. On the Balances or Accounts screen, look for the option to add a new currency, then search for each one and add it. You only need to do this once per currency, and it makes future conversions much faster. Once both currency balances are created, head back to the Home tab. Here, you'll see your balances listed. Select the currency you want to exchange from. This is the balance that currently holds the money you want to convert. If you don't see enough funds in that balance, you can top it up later. But for now, just choose the correct source currency so the conversion tool knows where to take the amount from. Inside that currency view, tap or click Convert. This opens the conversion screen. Next, select the currency you want to convert into. Wise will show you the live exchange rate and a transparent fee, so you know exactly what you'll pay and what you'll receive. Take a second to check that rate and fee, and make sure you're happy with them. Now, decide whether you want to enter the total amount to convert from, or the total amount you want to end up with in the new currency. Both options work. If you type the from amount, Wise will calculate how much you'll receive. If you type the to amount, Wise will calculate how much needs to be taken from your source balance, including fees. This is handy if you have a specific target figure in mind. When everything looks right, click Review. On the review screen, double-check the details: the source currency, the destination currency, the exchange rate, the fee, and the final amounts. If anything seems off, go back and adjust the amount or currency selection. If it all looks good, click Convert. Wise will process the conversion, and within moments you'll see the updated balances reflecting the change. That's it. Your money has been converted. A quick tip before we wrap up: if exchange rates matter to you, consider checking at different times of day to see if the live rate is more favorable, and always verify you have sufficient funds in the source balance to avoid delays. And you're done. Simple, transparent, and fast.